Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. We have GameStop, man. Y'all know the most volatile stock over the last few months, man. And you can see what's going on. This is a weekly chart right here, so y'all can see this thing. Y'all, anybody that paid attention, you see this thing. You know this thing got move crazy. You know this thing move crazy. So we got a high over here. We gonna mark this thing up, man. Oh, went to $48. Let's see. Back a while ago. Let's see if we get any higher. Okay, 58. Let's see. Start falling from there. Alright, let's go ahead and get that one. That goes to 58 right here. What was that price? Let's check it out. 57.74, guys. Just take into account, guys. I'm doing these market analysis with no indicators, nothing of that nature. I do have my strategy does have indicators in it, and it allows you to make masterful entries. We're doing just a regular straight analysis on the chart, and what we get from there, you can see what's going on with just chart analysis alone. Let's continue. I don't talk ahead off too much. Let's alone and let's go. All right. Let's go there. We got the low already. That's what put us right there. We definitely got a level here. Let me shrink that up just a hair. Level support here at this price, so we're gonna put a support there as well. Remember, this is a weekly chart. This chart will get more expanded. I know I said in the last video, shrunk. It will expand. So let's take a look and see what this bottom was. It was 38.50, so we'll put one here as well. Let's get right here. All right. We got some levels here. Definitely was a level between here, but we definitely got a level here. It's all off the weekly chart, guys. All right, the high was 348, 348.50. All right, that was 48.43. The high is really 5:13.12 on this chart, on this high time frame is showing us small high. You'll see it momentarily. In a moment, we'll get there. All right, we got some resistance here. That thing hit there and ran. Let's see here. That's where it hit and ran here. Let's go where it hit and runs where it hit there and ran back down here. All right, so we go to this high here. This kind of here. 184.68. And we go right here and this low here. 172.35. We'll go to the day chart here in just a moment. We got that. Let's go to the day chart and go get this thing marked up from the day chart. Y'all see this. Ever since the beginning of the year, this volatility has been crazy. It was nothing all year long. That's why the guys was mad. They thought it was going out of business. and bow. Bow. We got this here. That price is $413.98. All right, let's see here. We got some support resistance here. We definitely had a gap there, so let's put us in the gap there too as well. Let's get these up right here. There's a support there. The low is 101.74. All right. Oh, 86. That's what the low was. 86. There we go. All right, since we're on the day chart, let's get the trend line drawn on this thing before we what's there? Let's see what's the other areas right here. There's a double tap on that thing. Did it again. Let's see. Double tap on that right there. On that price. We'll take that. All right, let's see here. We got double tap here as well. Real tight in that gap area. All right, we're gonna hit this single market spike. Market spike right there. Those are manipulation areas, guys. This stuff right here, when you see things like this, that is market manipulation. This low was 112.25. That's what the big fuss was on CNN and CNBC. Oh, it is manipulation. It's manipulation. They manipulated the market. They just flooded the market. That's what they do as well. But that's what they call market manipulation. I forgot that number. 112.25. All right. Yo, you see that how that leveled out right there. All right, let's see what we got going on. Let's go to the 4-hour chart here. See if I can get rid of these lines, guys. Here's here. We got some downside action here. You know, this market was definitely crazy, so I'm not even worried about this old high here. This market is definitely crazy. We got some current downside movement. It's been moving down on the 4-hour chart. Going down to the 1-hour chart. Here we go. Oh, we got this just screwed up. Let me get that corrected. Pressing right. All right. We got a gap right here. There's something here. We have an area right here. We already know this thing is bullish. It's definitely been bearish for a while. Oh, I'm back. Yeah. So we know this was a previous. The low was here at 38.50. So we'll do this previous low. Red. That's too early. Let's get this here correct. Let's change this back to the color we used before. Orange. Previous low. We got a level of support here. Call this a minor support. So let's color that one as well. Orange. Another support level here. This was resistance here at this level, but the support was here at 172.45. We'll call that some support, minor support as well. Some minor support there. All right. And we got some resistance here. Go here. That price was 295.50. 295.50, guys. All right. And there we go. So we're currently in a uptrend, but right now it's pulling back. So we have a pullback in this uptrend. So do we think it's going to come here or it's going to go either? There's a gap here, guys. So this may be a good time. Maybe between 209, where it's at now. I would say it. We're hoping that it reaches this area here and bounce and go back to the upside. And if it does, it's definitely going to see 247.49 again. So we know it's going to move $47 over at right currently right now. We're still seeing this thing fall. So it may come back and retest its price one more time. Or maybe try to do a price break. We'll see. If we do a full, let's see this out here, Fibonacci. All the 50% is at 193.50. 61 is at 156.92. We have a level there right at that price. So we're kind of right there at it. So I say, you guys, the trade is here between the 50 and the 60%, 50 and 61.8%. That's where the trade will lie for another buy signal and take it up to 247.57. Let's get this here removed. All right, y'all. Alex Jenkins checking out.